Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is National Human Rights Commission. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, for the second year in a row, an organization affiliated with the UN Human Rights Office has deferred accreditation for India's human rights body, the National Human Rights Commission, that is NHRC. Now let's discuss about NHRC. NHRC, that is National Human Rights Commission of India, is an independent statutory body established on 12 October 1993 as per provisions of Protection of Human Rights Act 1993, later amended in 2006. It was established in conformity with the Paris Principles adopted for the promotion and protection of human rights in Paris and endorsed by the General Assembly of the United Nations on 20 December 1993. It is the watchdog of human rights in the country, that is, the rights related to life, liberty, equality and dignity of the individual guaranteed by Indian Constitution or embodied in the international covenants and enforceable by courts in India. Now moving on to functions of the Commission. To investigate any violation of human rights or negligence in the prevention of such violation by a public servant. Such violations can be investigated either suo motu or on complaint to it or on an order of a court. To intervene in any proceedings involving an allegation of violation of human rights pending before a court. To visit jails and detention centers to inquire about the living conditions of inmates. To review the constitutional provisions and other legal safeguards for the protection of human rights and recommend appropriate measures. To study international treaties and other instruments on human rights. And to spread awareness about human rights among. Now let's discuss about its limitations. The Commission is not empowered to inquire into any matter after the expire of 1 year from the date on act of violation. The Commission has no power to punish the violators of human rights or to award any relief, including monetary relief, to the victim. The recommendations of the Commission are not binding on the concerned government or authority. The Commission also has a limited role, power, and jurisdiction in case of human rights violation by the member or armed forces. Violation of human rights by private parties cannot be considered under NHRC jurisdiction. Now lastly, moving on to way forward. The recommendations made by the Commission should be made enforceable. Members of NHRCs should include civil society, human rights activists, etc. NHRC should have its independent investigating staff recruited by itself rather than present practice of deputation. And the time limit of 1 year must not be used in a rigid manner. Rather, some flexibility should be allowed depending upon the case. Now is the time for practice question. Who amongst the following are included in the appointing committee of NHRC chairman and members? 1 leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, 2 prime minister, 3 deputy chairman of the Rajya Sabha, 4 law minister. Choose the correct options. 1 and 2 only, 2 and 4 only, 1, 2 and 3 or 1, 2, 3 and 4. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.